If you are waiting for the downfall of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sorry for you. If you are waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to rot in jail, sorry for you. If you are waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to die in Sokoto prison, sorry for you. If you have any bad plan, any evil plan for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sorry for you, because it will never succeed. It will never work out for you.
Some people may not understand what this our brother is trying to say in this particular video, because some people feel that they don't like what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is doing. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the responsible of what is happening in Igbo land, that he was the one that was created ESN. That is why a lot of youth has been crying. That is why Nigeria army have been, destroying lives and property in Biafra land. That our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one that is doing all of this, because some people have used your mind. Some people have distracted you for you to hate our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But let me tell you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the savior of our time. If we lose Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, my brother, my sister, we are going to suffer like mad people. We are going to suffer to the extent that we are going to be looking solution and we are not going to see it, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came out for him to save his people. That is us, and we are treating him badly because he's now in Sokoto prison. So just take him to your time and watch this video careful so that you understand what this our brother is trying to say. Thank you, and may God bless you. One love.
To you all, my fellow Biafrans, if this is your first time joining me in my program, click the follow button to stay updated and get all my videos. I want to say this: if you are waiting for the downfall of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sorry for you. If you are waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to rot in jail, sorry for you. If you are waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to die in Sokoto prison, sorry for you. If you have any bad plan, any evil plan for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sorry for you, because it will never succeed. It will never work out for you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our Messiah. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is God sent. He is sent by God to deliver the Biafrans, to liberate the Biafrans from the captivity of the zoo. I'm talking to you, sacked DOS. Sorry for you. In one of my videos, I posted how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the cross appeal was terminated on arrival, was cancelled. Everything was done in an underground work. This time around, I bring you update on how the federal government are running around looking for how to arrange the case in a way that they will free our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are now making moves secretly, underground work, to ensure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. There are a lot of pressures mounted on the federal government of Nigeria to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because he is completely innocent. He is just a freedom fighter. Let me tell you, you sacked DOS spreading propaganda against our supreme leader. Do you know who he is? In fact, I think I need to take you back, or I need to at least show you who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is, in case you have forgotten, because I don't know if your brain are still working fine. In fact, watch this video, see who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is. Watch.
Nnamdi Kanu is in jail today because he's different from Sunday Igboho. Yes. If Nnamdi Kanu were to be Sunday Igboho, he would be campaigning for Tinubu in the southeast now. Yes. Because it's the same terms that they gave to Sunday Igboho that he accepted, that Nnamdi Kanu has rejected over the last 10 years. So please don't insult it. I don't know what he will do tomorrow, but the Nnamdi Kanu that I went to.
Okay. Have you seen who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is? Have you seen? So you have watched it, you have heard from prominent men that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not an ordinary person. It is a big name. It is a big public figure. I will advise you to tender an apology now to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and to Ndi Igbo, because what is coming to you is too much for you to carry. Your head cannot carry it. Ndị bai say, otu onye shere ọha nni, ọha ga-erichali ya, mana ọha shere otu onye nni, otu onye enwoke nke ọ ga-eri ya gaa. The fight you are fighting, all the things you are doing to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are doing it to all Biafrans. I want you to understand these things. Let me inform you, you sacked DOS in case you have not heard the news. Though you have been sacked and you have also been banished from IPOB. Now listen to this news. This news is for you, you sacked DOS. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has notified over 72 countries that you people has been sacked and a new DOS has been put in place, led by Mazi Chris Nwogu. Did you hear that? 72 countries. Anyị nwere nnukwu mmụọ na-eti mkpu, nnukwu mmụọ mpụta n'ọgbọ, obodo agbawa ọsọ. Onye bụ nnukwu mmụọ m na-ekwu okwu ya? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Ọhamadike 1, gburugburu ụwa niile, is the big masquerade I'm talking about. Sack DOS, get this into your brains.
Alright, so guys, depending on your time zone and your location, tata about the 9th day of July 2026. And the update from Daily Post says, US, UK order receives notification of IPOB transition issue by Nnamdi Kanu from Sokoto prison. So this is the update that have been trending since yesterday. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wrote to about 72 countries, telling them of the new developments in IPOB. So I want you guys to pay close attention to the details of this news, what it is really all about. So, but before we go into the news in detail, yesterday something very, very shocking happened. A bandit kingpin, they were wanted on him, that was actually apprehended or captured by Harrison Gwamnishu. Unuma of recent, the young man have been doing amazing work in the southeast. If I am Bodo IPOB, Bodo Umibu, Bodo Biafrans, and I am kidnapping, and I am Kemen Kozo. In recent weeks, in recent months now, Harrison Gwamnishu has proven to Nigerians and to Nigeria and the whole world that all this kidnapping and unrest happening in the southeast have been the architect, have been the handwork of the Fulani bandits. This is another person that was captured yesterday. Ojonia will testify how they have been kidnapping people. Causing all kind of havoc in the southeast. I'll leave you guys to watch the video, but it will be towards the end. What really happened, how the guy confirmed that he is the person and his team that have been terrorizing the southeastern part of Nigeria. One had kidnapped, and that was the end of the road for them. So, but before we go into that video, let's take these headlines. I saw this particular write-up from the handle of one name Nnamdi Kanu. The update say, orders receive notification of IPOB transitions issued by Nnamdi Kanu from Sokoto prison, published on 8th July 2026 by Kasmi Wanko. So this was an update yesterday. He went further to say indications have emerged that several countries have received indigenous people of Biafra's IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu's notification of the recent charge of leadership in the group's apex administrative body, the Directorate of State, DOS. Copies of the letters dispatched to 72 countries detailed the dissolution of the third administration of the Directorate of State, headed by Mazi Chike, and the inauguration of the fourth administration led by Mazi Chris Nwogu and based in the United States. Information obtained on Wednesday showed that copies of the letters have been received and acknowledged by the Abuja embassies of several countries, including Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Spain, Burkina Faso, China, Kuwait, Indonesia, among others. The notification letters were dated June 24, 2026 and issued from the Sokoto Correctional Center, where Kanu is currently serving a life sentence following his conviction on terrorism charges filed against him by the Nigerian government. Each letter bearing the official IPOB World Headquarters leaderhead and signed by Kanu in his capacity as the supreme leader stated that the transition was effected in strict compliance with the provisions of the IPOB Code of Conduct, which serves as the supreme governing instruction of the movement. The notification noted that going by the code of conduct, the authority to appoint, suspend, remove, or replace principal officers and administration of IPOB resides exclusively in the office of the supreme leader. The leader further noted that the third administration under Idoziem was itself appointed from Kuje prison in 2017, while Kano was awaiting trial, while the current fourth administration was constituted from Sokoto prison, where the IPOB leader is serving his prison sentence. Source in the pro-Biafra group noted that the acknowledgement of the receipts provide concrete evidence that IPOB's internal governance processes centered on the code of conduct and the exclusive authority of the supreme leader have been formally communicated to a wide array of sovereign governments, including permanent and elected members of the UN Security Council. The letters framed the transition as lawful, transparent, and consistent with IPOB's established constitutional order. The development has reinforced IPOB's position that the fourth administration of the Directorate of State is fully constituted and operational following the crisis that led to the expulsion of member of Chika Idoziem-led third administration of the DOS. So this was what has been going on since yesterday. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu himself wrote and signed a letter to countries to let them know that, hey, see, the third administration have been dissolved by the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, following the code of conduct of the same movement. So Mazen Nnamdi Kanu solely is the only person who has the authority to, sign in somebody and also expel anybody who is not getting it right. And that was what exactly played in this situation. So yesterday the news was everywhere. So abone can again the ex-DOS NT. You are going the wrong path. So the fourth administration have been fully reinforced. They are the face of the movement right now. So any order that is not coming from them, know that that order is from the, you know what to call them, the gangsters. So this is currently the news update, and it is supposed to have gone round by now. Yes, I'm going to follow the news. He got it here yesterday, and that is the reason why this can we tell you now. The major things happening. So now let's go into that video from Harrison Gwamneshi for how him and his team was able to capture this bandit, this guy on for here. Listen to the confessions from the guy, the Alhajina sponsor her, how they are being sponsored, how they get money from Southeasterners, how they cause havoc in Southeast, in the IPOB, ESN, and whatever. So listen to the video, share with us on the comment section, and do well to share this video. And as always, right with you. Enjoy the rest of the videos. I'll be right back.
My name is Abubakar. Abubakar waiting. Abubakar Usman. Back here.
Abubakar. You can't stress me for my local government.
How much can I collect from the woman when I kidnap? How much? Huh? How much can I collect from the woman?
Now 1.5 million.
You are not enough now.
Now you be 3 people.
3 people. Where they go on? Where they go?
Now they for my brother.
Your brother. So they allow you to stay. Where they get that car? When are you they use?
Alhaji is saying now Abuja they go call. I don't know the house.
Okay.
Look on my.
Now this one Abubakar. Nine be this one.
Nine be Abubakar.
This one nine say key soldier. You get mark for where?
You get mark for hand here. And you get the one when you get for somewhere here, but for here, you say 90 soldier man.
Okay.
How
many of them?
There are 3. There are 3 of them. One have the main line when they hear English have mark here, and it's fair.
When they kidnap you?
They kidnapped me on Thursday.
Last week Thursday?
Yes.
And yesterday they, okay, yes, okay. Alright. Sorry. Yeah. So today is the 8th July. We are somewhere in Ogwashuku, by Zungu, Adonta Road. So how many of you follow kidnap the woman?
Now 3.
Who's gonna kidnap the woman?
Today 6 days.
6 days now? Okay. So which kind gun are who?
Now pump.
Pump. How many gun?
Now 1.
Where you from come?
Me?
Your state, where?
Me I drive from Niger.
Okay.
Where you from come? Not be different Niger. Where you from come? Your state, where they for born you?
Niger.
So who can come? Who can come Ogwashuku?
Nobody. Now me come to myself.
There are 2 people. I take meet them.
No, I hear you.
And I can't go do the work.
I can't enter.
So how much I collect from this woman?
1,500,000.
So the other 2 members, where they now?
2 people.
Where follow you go kidnap?
Now for instance, the time where I hear with the talk for bush. At that time around.
Where those cow wanna carry? Where the cow they?
And before na cow Alhaji Kinko. Now that cow.
How much I give Alhaji?
Huh?
How much I give Alhaji?
Alhaji, I know for Alhaji now 2 more.
How much I give Alhaji for the cow? Wait for bush, where you see for bush now? Those cow How much na give the Alhaji for the cow?
Now Alhaji they pay me now. They follow cow Alhaji.
This one for today now. That cow for bush this night, last night.
Okay.
Who get the cow?
Okay. The cow na down my brother way wrong.
Now get them for inside that bush.
Who get her for them?
So where the cow they now? Where those cow they?
My own.
Those cow where your brother get where run?
The time we here for bush.
Yeah.
Now that time carry on run.
Carry and run. Okay. All right.
The carry cow. Abi, where the cow dey? Where the cow dey? Not be cow.
Okay, cow.
Where the cow dey?
own.
Your brother own. Nama.
Okay, my brother, all of them Alhaji the cow Alhaji they follow.
What you mean? Alhaji waiting?
That Alhaji Kinko.
Kinko. For where they stay?
The house is down there for Abuja.
Okay, no problem. How much in a share? How much you share for the money? We on a share. How much you share?
That money?
Come on for there.
My own. My own na 400,000.
400,000. How much your brother share?
All of them na 400,000, which is na 500,000.
Not a share them. How long you don't stay for this town? For this our place? How long you don't stay here? For how long? How many times you don't, like how many months? Yes.
Okay, I did 2 months.
2 months for here. What of your brothers will run? How many of them? All of them don't stay here.
All of them are here as the two.
Okay.
Now here as
Where then they live inside of grass? Then they live inside of grass?
and the don't leave Agwashi.
Where will they stay for? Where will they stay? Where will they stay? Where?
For Agwashi.
Where will they stay?
For Agwashi, me I know for 2 days, 1 day.
Where will they stay?
Alhaji
Where will they stay for this Ogwashuku? Where will they stay?
Okay, the cow way there now.
Where they sleep? Lie down for here.
For bush. Now.
Before I call, where they stay for grass?
Before I did for cow.
Abubakar. They answer me. Abubakar. Abubakar. Where you from?
For Niger.
You come here again? You go come here again?
No, I'm not going here again.
Oh. You still wear shoe, you don't get respect. You still wear shoe. You still wear shoe. Abubakar. Abubakar still wear shoe. See, watching leg.
Blood, blood.
It's watching leg. My honorable councillor, our capable councillor, capacity. This is don't come back again, though. They don't come back to worry also, but they don't go succeed this time around.